I'll explain the trade logic behind the Ashok Leyland short, which I took yesterday, which is 15th of June. So I was expected the price to fall down in the coming days because there was a visible reversal point at this area. So while price approaching here, the buyers lose their control and the sellers are dominating here. So I expected the price to fall down. So I entered the high of yesterday. 136 was my entry and I was kept an SL of 139, and the first target is 130, which is actually reached today, and the next target is 122, which is about to reach. So I'll expect that to reach in the coming days. So as of now, the first target I have booked some screenshot from the people. So bought at 4 rupees and sell at 7.25, and let's see how it happens to next week.